Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today, and today we have some pretty good news, guys. Value investor Mohnish Pabrai has just bought Alibaba. Look at this. 14% of his portfolio. He just bought Baba. $38 million. That is a crazy good amount. That's a big position. It's probably honestly 10% because he has other holdings overseas. So this is a 10% Alibaba play. And guys, you gotta remember what Mohnish Pabrai's framework is now. He's all about buying long-term compounders that he's gonna hold for years and years and years. So if this fits in Alibaba's criteria for Mohnish Pabrai, that just shows you how good of a buy Alibaba is right now. And guys, you already know Charlie Munger is like the godfather of investing. Come on, Mohnish Pabrai looks up to him like he's a freaking god. He has like a freaking like a frame or something, a monument of Charlie Munger in the back of him every time he does a video. So this is probably copying what Charlie Munger's did. And the thing is, too, even going back to my old videos, I invested in Alibaba way before everyone, or way before these big value investors. But that's not to say anything. That's just to show you that even the price, like, even though these prices have dipped so much, and I thought Alibaba was a good buy at, like, I got it in around like 240, around that price. And these guys are getting in around like 220, 230. And guys, look at what the price is now. 209, right? So it just goes to show you that they're probably, what if they're probably buying now? They can probably still be buying these shares right now. It's going down even more, right? So it's just interesting that I wonder what would happen if Alibaba, instead of this huge dip, I bought it like 240, if it went up. If it went up to like 300, 310, 315. I'm just trying to think. Like, would they still be intrigued about Baba? Like, would they still think it's a good buy? Or would they have to wait until this huge, huge dip? Let's see how Alibaba has done over the times. Look at this. So, at its peak was at 307. And now, what is that? 31% drop in price. Wow, like that's a huge drop, and that's presented a huge buying opportunity for Mohnish Pabrai and Charlie Munger. But I still wonder because I got it at 240. So what do you think? Do you think that they thought it was a good buy at 240? I still even think they would have bought it at 300. I really do. I don't know why. In my back of my head, I think even at 300, like it's still a good stock to own at $300 a share. Like, guys, just picture, we know this is all short-term momentum. Look at what happened. This is all going back to what happened. Alibaba missed on its EPS because of the of the fine, right? But it did everything well on its revenue growth. So look what happened. The revenue grew 63% year over year. What company can do that? That's how you already know the market is very short-term minded. It's all short-term. It's in and out of stocks. That's why I'm gonna do a book, my book review on Nick Sleep, Richer, Wiser, Happier. Nick Sleep has his own section in it, and I'm gonna do a little like review on that whole section because Alibaba is like a perfect example of you do not focus on the news. You don't focus on what's going on. You realize that in 4 or 5 years, this company is going to double, triple. You have to be able to envision the long-term growth of Alibaba and where you can see this company being in the next 5, 10 years, right? So that's like a quick video. Mohnish Pabrai buys a huge position in Alibaba. Do you think this is a good buy at these prices at 209? Are you guys in Alibaba? What do you think about the future potential? Do you think the government is just gonna clobber Alibaba? They're not gonna let them grow. They're not gonna let them succeed. What are your thoughts on Alibaba at this price? Guys, if you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, get back to you in the next video. Peace.